Hello everyone. I welcome you all. Today we have Kirthika with me to share her experience. She has recently landed a job as AI and data engineer at DatasparkAI Solutions. Hi Kirthika, how are you?
I'm doing good and great, ma'am.
Yeah, please switch on your camera. We want to see you.
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Yes. We are glad to have you here, Kirthika. First of all, congratulations on your achievement.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so when did you start your course with DataMites, Kirthika?
Last year, March, I have started I joined a DataMites for certified data science course, ma'am.
Okay, so last year, March, you
Uh,
started, and when you
uh,
completed your course?
uh, about uh, about the end of October 2023, I have completed the course.
Okay.
After that only, I have prepared for the mock interviews and all.
Okay. Okay, so you're part of offline or online batch?
I'm an online batch student,
Online
ma'am.
batch. Okay, okay, okay. So you can say that from October, and when did you get the job? October till
Uh, that, no, ma'am, I got a job last month, May month, I
last
got the
month.
job of asthma.
Okay. 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 So from October, you completed the course, and then you said that you got the, so almost you can say that 4 to 5, right? 6 months around, if you, right?
Yeah, ma'am. Actually,
Yes.
I'm a mother of two kids, so it took me some time for preparations and all. And
Okay.
um,
All
and
right.
this is why I transition from non-technical to technical field. So it take me some time. Took me some time.
Okay. Okay. So can you share with us about your academic profile and your previous work experience, if any, before pursuing course with DataMites?
Yeah, sure, mama. I'm an engineering graduate in the stream of computer science. I graduated in the year of 2011. After that,
Mm-hmm.
I worked in an NBFC for about 10 years.
Mm-hmm.
After that, I took a career break. Um, while while I was in a career break, I thought of upskilling myself and shift to IT field. At the time, I'm so obsessed with data science and AI and their boom and all. Um,
Mm-hmm.
After inquiring with multiple companies which are providing data science courses, I thought data might interested me a lot because of their success rate and then their agenda for the course and all impressed me. So that I inquired with some some persons. They guided throughout my journey from starting to end of the course. They have guided 24 hours support like that. Whenever I ask for something, they will provide the things whom to I contact in the data mites to get that resource and all. So the onboarding and the placement till that it was a very smooth journey with the data mites, ma'am.
Okay, so great to hear about it. So were you having any programming knowledge before you came here?
Yeah, actually, it was in my college days. I was a computer science and engineering graduate, ma'am. So that
Okay.
so that way it was long back, nearly 12 years, I think so.
Oh.
12, 13 years. There was a long gap.
Uh,
I was in a non-technical field. So that's why programming and all I didn't touch for the past 13 to 14 years, okay?
okay.
Um, Initially, I was just scared that I I I have a confusion that whether I can do the coding and all after so many years.
Mhm.
But in Data Mites, I think my mentor is Kalpana ma'am. I think so for the Python.
Mhm.
Uh, from the starting scratch, she taught everything from the scratch,
Okay.
every line coding and all. Um, so it
Mm.
eased upon learning Python and its libraries and everything.
Okay. Great to hear. So you joined here at for CDS course, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yes, ma'am. Serious course, ma'am.
CDS. So what motivated you to join data science field, Kirtika?
Uh, the field is booming, and uh, many professionals are needed in this field in the future. I thought if I excel in this field, the job opportunities in the future will be prosperous. So that thing, and in my college days, I love coding and all. Uh, so so if I got an opportunity to do for the shifting and all, shifting from non-technical to IT and all, that things, and I always love numerical things, that some kind of mathematical things and all. So everything is aligned in this course. So that's why.
Okay. Okay. So during your learning period, you learned about Python, statistics, machine learning, then right SQL. So how was your learning experience? Can you share your experience learning these topics?
Uh, Actually, I was an online student. The classes will be on the weekend, during the evening times and all.
Mhm. Okay.
Uh, in every class, the mentors starts teaching things from the scratch, like teaching for a fresher, not in the not an intermediate level and all. They
Mm.
start from the scratch, so it is upon the journey, and I can able to listen and follow the things, and I can do practice myself like that. The journey will be going on like that. They give the time to do practical activities in the on the class itself, uh, and if any error comes up, they resolve the doubts on the class itself. So everything, I learned maximum things during that online class itself, ma'am. After that, I did lots of revisions.
Which? Mhm.
Uh,
Okay. So your classes were weekend sessions, right? Weekend sessions means you can say 4 hours session for each day, Saturday and Sunday.
yes,
So after
yes,
that,
ma'am.
you had you can say entire weekdays with you. So how many hours per day you spent learning, Kirtuka?
Around 3 to 4 hours, uh, to
Per
practice the
day.
coding snippets, and revising that practical theoretical things so that we have learned for the machine learning things and all statistics.
Okay. Okay. So
That that's
yeah. So
yes, ma'am.
yes, yeah, you were saying something. You can continue.
No, nothing, mama. You
No,
asked
I
me,
was
ma'am.
asking you, were the resources provided by trainers were enough or any other resources you were using in order to, right, revise your concepts?
In the material system, they have provided the things in a comprehensive manner.
Mhm.
Uh, Sometimes, if I further I want to uh, gain some knowledge about the technical terms that they have mentioned in the material, I use ChatGPT to explain the words and how and all. Um, uh, Apart from that, I didn't use any other material, ma.
Okay, so which was your favorite
Mostly I stick
topic?
with
Yeah, which was your
favorite
favorite
thing.
topic out of all those topics which we saw, right? Python, then machine learning, then SQL, which you found more interesting during your
I I think SQL and all the machine learning concepts, ma'am. Uh, I have spent much time learning towards this algorithm, and practicing them with different sets and all. Uh, Machine learning, ma'am.
Okay, great.
Machine learning
Okay,
algorithms are
all right. All the algorithm machine learning, right? From the start to you can say from the start to the right boosting
yeah,
all the things. Great. So
bragging and all.
Yes. So after completion of phase two, so phase two had all the, you can say the sessions which must have continued for 3 to 4 months. After phase two, when you entered phase three, what kind of projects you have done in phase three? Can you share with us about internship? What kind of project you did? Yes.
Yes, yeah. For a internship, I have done a home loan prediction, and then just a second, ma'am. What is this prediction, flight price prediction? These are the projects that I have done during the second phase of the first phase of the internship, ma'am. And for client project, I have done a ABC Tech ITSM project ma'am.
Okay.
That's a client project.
Okay. Great. Great. So you attended mock interviews after completion of your projects, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Interviews conducted by PET team. So what was your job ready score, Kiruthiga?
It's a 5.9, ma'am.
Wow, interesting.
5.9.
Great, great. So almost you can say that it's 6. Great. So how many interviews you attended before you cracked this job at Kiruthiga?
This is my first interview, ma'am,
First interview
with the client.
itself. Wow, wow, wow. That's great. That's great. Congratulations. So you have not attended any interviews right before. You can say that this was your first and you cracked that itself.
Okay.
Great,
Yes, ma'am.
great to hear.
Yes,
Great. Okay, so what kind of questions were asked? Were the interview more based on theory or practical questions were asked too?
They mostly ask the practical questions, ma'am. I didn't get any coding questions during the interview. They all asked about some questions on the statistics, machine learning, SQL. And in Power BI, I mentioned in the resume. So some questions on Power BI and advanced Excel, ma'am.
Okay, so no questions related to Python, nothing.
Why Python? Why you have chosen Python?
Okay,
Like that.
only that much.
The basic and all, ma'am. Some why you choose to feel like that. Some behavioral questions like.
Okay. Okay, so nothing like a data set was given and then told to analyze it. Nothing like that was given. Correct?
The data cleaning part. How do you
Oh,
handle missing values, outliers like that?
mhm.
That kind of questions are and all asked.
Okay, so they just asked you how, but they didn't
Whatever,
tell you to clean.
whatever the things that I have learned during the course,
Okay.
that part and other things that I have mentioned in the resume, the things were asked during the interview, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so only the theoretical part or just how to, the methods they asked during your interview, how you are going to perform cleaning and also but they didn't tell you to do that actually,
No,
right?
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, okay. So, yeah, so was there any interview questions related to internship which you did here?
Yes, ma'am. Regarding the projects that I have mentioned in the resume,
Mm-hmm.
uh, um, in that actually regarding how you achieve this score and all like that, some very basic questions and all, ma'am. Nothing uh, nothing like an intermediate level.
Mm-hmm.
Some basic kind of questions only they have asked me.
Okay. Okay.
But it might differ from a company to company and all.
Yes. Yes, yes. So, how did you prepare for the interviews? Can you tell us about it? Any particular website which you have gone through to prepare for the interviews and all?
Um, I I use a chat GPT to explain me the words that are new to me and new to me and are unfamiliar to me. So I use a chat GPT for that.
Mm-hmm.
And use the W3 resource that that has lots of small, simple coding snippets. Questions will be there.
Mhm.
So I use that platform to take the questions and practice very simple coding snippets, not in a high level of program. Just to practice simple coding snippets, I use a W3 resources that is on website. It has lots of questions in related to all the topics and all pandas, NumPy and all. So
Mhm.
I use that website to practice simple coding snippets that is useful while handling mock interviews and all. Um,
Okay.
apart from that, I really stick with the module and the practice revise the theory again and again to to master that.
Okay. So, any important topic you feel that we all need to focus on when we are preparing for interviews? We need to give more focus on a particular topic which you feel like
Um,
more
I
kind of
feel like
questions can be asked, right? For your interview only. More specifically, the interviewers you felt that they are focusing on that topic itself.
whatever, ma'am, we should be familiar with the words that we are mentioning in our resume.
Mhm.
If you are mentioning a word in a resume, you should have aware about that things and all
Okay.
technically.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, uh, Based on the resume only, they will keep on asking what is what, like that. The chain will goes on. If you whatever the thing you are mentioning a resume, you should be aware of that topic and you should have that knowledge.
Okay. So whatever we are putting in the resume, we should prepare that first because there are more
Yeah,
possibilities that the
because
interviewers will ask on that.
many freshers are having the issue that the resume templates from some
Yeah,
other people, friends,
correct.
colleagues, and all. Uh, Repeating the same thing without knowing that exact knowledge of those things. That
Yes,
will be a drawback and all, ma'am.
correct. So, any suggestions you want to give to all our attendees on how to prepare for interviews and all?
Um, I feel that the things that were taught during the course or course we have to master in those topics and whatever the questions if asked in the interview we should be prepared
Mm-hmm.
to answer those things. That thing will will make you to crack the interviews, ma'am. I think so. Whatever the things they have learned, if they present in a resume in a correct manner, um, that's it, ma'am. Uh,
Okay.
the
Okay.
preparation thing matters, ma'am.
Yes, absolutely correct. So when we are going for any interviews, we need to prepare right thoroughly. It should not be that any topic we have left out. Correct. So when we are giving any interviews, we should prepare ourselves 100%. So any kind of questions can be asked. So we should be prepared for all that. Very nice, Kirtika. Thank you for the suggestions. So let us see if any questions are there from attendees. We
And one
have,
more thing,
yeah, tell
one
me,
more
Candy.
thing, they should have read the job description and the requirements of the company before attending the interview.
Yes, correct. So whatever job description they are giving, yes, correct, absolutely correct, Kirtika. So we have some questions from attendees here. Harshita is asking, did DataMites pet team help you in resume building?
Yes, ma'am. First I gave a draft resume.
Mm-hmm.
Um, they gave suggestions to modify my resume and um, what kind of words that I have to add in the resume and where to um, where to do some qualification things and all. They have guided me. Uh, after uh, to after revision of 3 to 4 times only they finalize the things. I only prepared, but the guidance was given by the party.
Great. So, how many mock interviews you attended, Kirtiga?
Around 3, ma'am.
3. Okay,
Uh,
great. So, any more questions from attendees? Please put your questions in Q&A. Kirtiga will answer those questions. Okay, so when is your joining date, Kirtika? Have you already joined?
yes, ma'am. Last week, June 3rd is my third was my joining date. I already joined, and I have been working for a week, ma'am. I was working for
Oh,
fun.
you have already joined. Great, great. So, where, in which location? Bangalore itself or
No, the location is Chennai, ma'am.
Chennai? Okay, how is the weather?
And I'm I'm from Chennai, and it's in
Okay, you're from
it's in
Chennai itself. All
yes,
right,
ma'am.
great, great, great. So, how is the weather there currently?
Actually, it's moderate. It's not too much hot and too much cold like that. It was
Oh,
raining past week.
all right. Great, great, great. Okay, so you have now 1 week you have joined, right? It's been 1 week since you have joined your company. How is the work over there? What they are telling you to do?
We are initially in the training phase, ma'am.
Okay.
We are trying with the multiple cloud platforms and all.
Mm-hmm.
Um, um, so maybe in one or in a month or two,
They will
we will
assign
be
the work.
onboarded into the project.
Okay. Okay. So currently they are just putting you in the training and they are training you. So for
Yes,
1 month they have told that they will be giving training. All right.
yes, ma'am.
Great, great, great. Okay, so we have a question. What type of question was difficult for you during the interview?
Um, Actually, they asked me all the level of basic questions from machine learning algorithms, SQL, and I have mentioned Power BI and Excel. So the basic level of questions from those things that I have mentioned. So nothing complicated. No no complicated questions were asked in the interview.
Okay, great. So do we have any questions from any other platform team, LinkedIn or YouTube? No questions? Okay, fine. So yes, thank you so much, Kirtika. That was really insightful. And we have, I hope everyone got lots of information from you. And once again, congratulations on your achievement. Your journey is really inspiring. I hope this will help others as well. We wish you a great success in your career path and all the best. It was nice talking to you, Kirtika. And
Thank you,
best
ma'am.
of luck. Best of luck. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye. Bye.
Thank you. Sure.